This one was a lesson. Now I just need to pay attention in the future. I ran part of this. Yeah, I'm pushing the bike right now. These hills, man. We are almost there, dude. It is right there. Morning, guys. So I'm checking the map they actually gave me, the physical map, and it's telling me as well that the next phone booth is on this side, on the other side, I mean. Oh, so this is where you can cross. So I should have crossed back here. So I need to check this map sometimes. These other bridges are not easily crossable. Shoot. I was looking at Street View on all these and they are not easily crossable. So we gotta figure out a way to get to this one without going all the way back here. That would suck. I'm headed to the train because I'm going to just take the train over as close as I can to that certification point, and I'm gonna walk. So it's gonna take me like 33 minutes. Hopefully I can be back to the room by 8:30 at the latest. It's 7 now. It sucks. I wanted to ride my bike to it, but I've already passed it, and looking at all the maps, like getting back there is just gonna take me too far out of my way today. It makes a lot more sense to just go grab it now. I'm just glad I have these maps showing me where they all are. This one was a lesson. Now I just need to pay attention in the future. I'm at some kind of park. I don't know exactly what this place is, but it's pretty cool. It looks interesting. I do wish I could have ridden through here, but at least I'm here. Well, I see it. I ran part of this. Nice early workout. A lot of the bike road here is in disrepair, man. It's like under construction. The way I took honestly seems a lot nicer. Oh man, there it is. We did it. There's the stamp. Wow, that one is huge. Oh, we got it though. Next one's there, not too far away. All right, let's get back to the Airbnb and get the bike set up and head out.
20 minutes later.
All right, I've got everything packed up over there. The bike's ready to go. I did reorganize the bags. It's a bit better now, for sure. I have better access to things as well. I distributed the weight more evenly. One is still a little heavier, but it's so difficult to get them exactly the same. Hopefully the balance will feel a little bit better today. I'm not looking forward to the very beginning of today because I have to go back through Gangnam, which was my least favorite part yesterday, but most of it should be downhill this time. It wasn't. I don't know how it's possible, but I still felt like I went uphill most of the time. I don't know. I don't know. All right, bike is set up and ready to go. Let's hit it. Day number 2, 3-ish, 2.5. Yeah, I'm pushing the bike right now. These hills, man. Very carefully, guys. Very, very carefully. We are almost there, dude. We are. It is right there. Holy crap. There's our path. Friggin' go. Absolutely gorgeous. Dun, 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 dun. We made it, guys. What's that? That horrible sound, like a jackhammer. Guys, we made it. We're back on path. Finally out of the city part of Gangnam. We're still technically in Gangnam. Yeah, I drove right by here yesterday. Yeah, I should have got off a while back. I don't even remember where we're going. I don't remember the name of the area. But I did get an Airbnb there for tonight because it looked nice. I just checked them. There was one right by the river. It looked so beautiful. I was like, screw it. Today's destination is an area known as Namyangju. To be honest, the Airbnb I booked is actually a bit out of the way of the Four Rivers path. At this point, I was still underestimating the distance of different locations because Korea looks so small on the map. But this was just another lesson I needed to learn the hard way. For now, all I could do was jump on the bike and hit the trail. We're greeted this morning by the view of the beautiful Lotte Tower, where we were at last night. If you didn't see yesterday's video, go check that out if you want to see what's in that tower. It's actually the tallest building in all of Seoul. I think all of Korea. Pretty cool. And we were at the top. Guys, I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. We're still very early, but honestly, I have like only 2.5 hours to go, and I still can't check in for 5 hours. So it's okay. I got 3 fruit cups and chocolate milk. I'm gonna eat one of these fruit cups and then save the other two for a little bit later today. So I need to sell the bike in Busan, as I've mentioned. That's a little complicated. I'll have to explain all of that later. But for now, all you need to know is that a friend of mine here in Korea posted it for me, and there's someone already interested. I don't know if just one or multiple people, but I thought it would take a little bit longer. I still have weeks before I'll get to Busan. Who knows what could happen to the bike before then. I thought we'd just post it and start gathering, like start letting it get out there, but I guess people wrote immediately. So that's a great sign. I almost missed this one because I looked down for a second. I looked up and was like, oh crap, there it is. All right, we did it. That's the last one on the first page. Cool. And now we go to page 2. A lot more on this page. I'm pushing the bike right now, guys. This was a long incline. I did 3/4 of it, but we're almost to the top, it looks like. Oh no, oh no, I think it goes up more. Yep, even steeper incline. Be excited when I get to the other side of this one. Be flying like that. That sign says it's at 8.3 degrees. As a novice, I don't know if that's bad or if I'm just weak. Could be both. I think I'm almost to the top. Twice now. It's looked like the top and not been. This time it really looks like the top. Let's hope so. I did cycle a little bit. I got back on, I did a bit, but I had to get off. Woo! All right, we made it to the top of the roller coaster. Let's go. There we go. Woo! That's a lot better. That's how you fly, man. That was awesome. That was worth climbing to the top of. That was fun. I guess we just reached a new city, guys. Passed under a little sign that said, welcome to Hanam City. I don't know anything about this area. Not sure if we're staying in this city or if we're passing through to another area. Immediately different vibe though. We're still by Han River, of course. We're gonna be all day today, tomorrow probably. Seems way more countryside out here. Even though I said this is a city, we may just be on the edges of the city. Very peaceful area. Also, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, it's a lot colder today. It's like way colder. And the wind's blowing. The wind is fighting me. It's really hard to get a good stride going. Yeah, luckily I did bring this big jacket. And I do have warmer clothes in the bag if I need to switch out, but so far so good. A little tired today. Some crazy looking mountains up ahead of us. Hope to God I'm not going in that. Might be hard to see it on the GoPro. And now the trees are taking over. Oh God, it says to go up. Oh man. Right? Oh God. Ugh. The bike just like immediately stopped. God dang. There, you can really see that mountain now. Found kind of a beautiful area to stop, eat some nuts. Getting ready to cross a bridge to the other side. These are really nice. These are from Kroger in Indiana. I brought these to eat with me on the plane and didn't end up eating them. A week later, I still have them. They're really nice right now. Yeah, as you can see, so much more countryside here than in Seoul. It's beautiful. I love it. I was finally seeing a totally different side of Korea that I had never experienced before. Away from one of the biggest pop culture capitals in the world and into the lesser traveled countryside of Korea. At this point, I still had no idea what lay ahead of me on this journey, but I knew one thing without a doubt. It was gonna be beautiful. All right, we're crossing Han River. Welcome to Wander Square. This is the kind of thing I was hoping to find with cycling across Korea. That's totally crazy.